A chance for freedom isn't being curbed. The coronavirus has forced numerous restrictions at the state prison, but inmates seeking parole are still getting that opportunity for release. For every crime, there's a story, and the truth matters. Here's ABC4 senior crime and punishment correspondent Marcos Ortiz with tonight's Justice Files.
Inmates count the days for their parole hearing, and COVID-19 isn't stopping that from happening. But their families and families of victims aren't allowed to attend those hearings. But through technology, one can still have a seat inside. The message is out front when you go to the Board of Pardons website. The coronavirus is forcing the Department of Corrections to temporarily suspend visitors from going to the state prison. But by clicking for more information, a virtual trip to a parole hearing is possible. This hearing is for Charles Ulibarri, who's serving time for possession of child pornography.
The long of it is, I ended up with a pretty severe porn addiction.
Right.
Porn addiction is very shameful. Didn't want to admit it to anybody, and it's kind of, you don't know how deep in the hole you are until you're pulled out of it.
Following state orders, only 10 people are allowed to gather at the hearing room. Now, the parole hearing in this instance is nearly empty. The only ones present are the hearing officer, a handful of prison guards, and the inmate, in this case, Ulibarri. Of course, the video conference does show the public who's interested in Ulibarri's case.
When I came to prison at 17 years old, before there was internet or cell phones or anything like that. So when I got out after 22 years, it was like a new toy.
Angel McDonald also is eligible for parole. She's serving up to 5 years for burglary, assault, and receiving stolen property. Sheena Montoya is a jail escapee and gets time before the hearing officer to make her case. But Ulibarri is the more serious case this week. He actually serves time for a murder in 1991 and is released in 2013. He steers clear from any crime until his arrest for child pornography, which he claims was accidental.
I would never hurt anybody like that. I didn't seek these out. I didn't pursue them. I didn't visit websites that cater to these things.
Now, these video conferences are available at the prisons in both Gunnison and Draper. Department of Corrections reports no cases of coronavirus, but if something should happen, they do have a plan in place. For the Justice Files, Marcos Ortiz, ABC4 News.